Hello, I'm going to compare Rithmic versus NinjaTrader. Which trading solution is right for you? So Rithmic is renowned for its ultra-low latency data feeds and direct market access, making it preferred choice for high-frequency traders, those requiring rapid execution speeds. Algorithmic traders, individuals running automated strategies across multiple accounts, professional traders who need detailed market depth and queue position visibility. NinjaTrader serves both as a trading platform and brokerage, offering advanced charting, highly customizable charts with plethora of technical indicators, automated trading. Through NinjaScript, traders can develop, backtest, and deploy custom strategies, educational resources, extensive tutorials, webinars, and community support for traders at all levels, flexible access available on desktop, web, and mobile platforms. So opt for Rithmic if you require ultra-low latency and direct market access, you're running complex automated strategies across multiple accounts, you prefer using third-party or platforms tailored to professional trading. Opt for NinjaTrader if you're seeking a all-in-one trading solution with robust charting and analysis tools, you value a user-friendly interface with extensive educational support, and you're interested in developing and deploying automated strategies using NinjaScript.